Your podcast is being judged right now. Hi, I'm Drew Ashley, and I specialize in one thing: turning the psychology of a first impression into a launch strategy for podcasts. Think about it. A listener hits play. In those first 3 seconds, their brain asks, is this for me? Is this professional? It's not a conscious choice. It's a feeling. By the 60-second mark, that feeling becomes a decision. Subscribe or skip. This isn't about luck. It's about identity. This is where my method comes in. I don't just design a logo or compose a track. I architect a sonic and visual identity from the inside out. We start with your host's unique voice, the core psychology. We build a soundscape that matches it. We design a visual world that feels like it. It's the fusion of cinema, branding, and launch psychology. The result? You launch a recognizable brand from episode 1. You own the critical first seconds. You convert scrollers into subscribers. I help ambitious podcasters sound and look like the top-tier show that they are destined to be. Because in a crowded space, your identity isn't just what you say. It's what people feel before you even speak.